Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to set up and use the Dyna e-Power transmission on your tractor. The Dyna e-Power transmission is a full power shift transmission with 4 ranges and 7 power shift gears. It can be used in manual or automatic mode. In manual mode, you control the engine speed with the accelerator pedal and shift through the 22 available gears one by one by moving the multi-pad lever. By pushing the lever to the second notch, the tractor will shift 2 gears at a time. The same behavior applies when you want to downshift. In automatic mode, you can use either the multi-pad or the accelerator pedal to set a desired speed. The tractor will shift gears one by one, optimizing the engine speed according to the load. If you push the multi-pad to the second notch, the tractor will engage a VMAX command, which will be visible on the dashboard in green highlight. The command given via the multi-pad is fixed. To slow down, you need to brake or pull the lever. However, with the accelerator pedal, the command follows the pedal position. If you release the pedal completely, the command drops back to the startup speed value. 2 operating profiles are available: a field profile, represented by a plow, and a road profile, represented by a trailer. The plow and trailer symbols will flash until the transmission reaches a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius, indicating optimal transmission performance. The plow mode optimizes the transmission ratio for low-speed use, ideal for field applications. Conversely, the road mode optimizes driving and favors speed gain on the road. To access the settings, go to the main menu, then to the transmission menu. The settings are independent between the different driving modes and operating profiles, allowing you to adjust them according to your needs. You can first set the starting speeds, in both forward and reverse. These speeds are expressed in transmission ratios and must be within the same range. Next, you can adjust the acceleration and deceleration sensitivity from low to high. This setting is only available in auto mode. You can also set the programmable speed C1 and C2, only available in auto mode, as well as the maximum speed by clicking on the displayed speeds, which are expressed in kilometers per hour. On the second page of the transmission menu, you will find the setting for the aggressiveness of forward and reverse shuttling, as well as the setting for the aggressiveness of power shift gear changes within the ranges, which is only available in manual mode. Finally, you can activate or deactivate the brake to neutral function. You are now ready to fully enjoy this transmission in the field. It's your turn to try.